Well, it's a beautiful start to the day. It's a lovely Sunday morning and we're off for a walk to the allotment. You can just see how few boats are travelling this canal at the moment. It's crystal clear. Why does he insist on walking right on the edge?
And some of these sides are quite steep. I don't fancy laying down in that mud to dig him out.
No.
A little bit of sunshine and the boaters are out on the towpath enjoying the day.
Well, here we are on the plot. Everything's looking good. Won't be doing much today, just picking and looking.
There's still lots of bare ground around and still got the odd flower, even in the middle of winter.
It's quite amazing, isn't it?
This polytunnel needs to be moved. We actually had to get a new cover because this one broke. And these are some strawberry runners that we've taken, hoping that maybe we might get an early crop.
Leggy looking sweet peas.
And fruit cuttings. I've taken red currant and black currant cuttings to raise some new bushes.
The garlics need putting in, but that's not going to happen today. So I'm going to have a look at plot number 2.
It's a shame that our plots are quite a way away from each other because whenever we need tools,
Yeah,
they're on the wrong plot.
Almost left them behind.
This is how cold it's been, so cold.
We've had a really good crop this winter, haven't we, of greens. It's been absolutely fabulous.
The curly kale we've had as much as we want of on every meal. We kept it under the nets to keep the pigeons off. And this is a fishing lake that's just on the private estate behind the allotments, and that also is solid. No ducks swimming around there today.
Or ice skating. Broad beans are looking a bit sorry for themselves after the frosts.
And this is the kale. It's been gorgeous.
Couldn't resist, could you? No sign of purple sprouting broccoli yet. Plenty of time.
We really didn't expect to be picking much over the winter, but as you say, we've had greens as much as we wanted, and it has been fabulous. Parsnips we've still been digging, and left beetroots in the ground. I've still been picking those as well.
And swede. But here comes the most exciting part. A delivery of horse manure. All hands to deck when this turns up. There's a few of the guys on the plot came and helped us shovel it off the back of the loader. And look at that massive pile of poo, all for a tenner. Not bad, is it? And a couple of apple trees we got from Tesco's, really cheap. So hopefully they'll take okie dokie. So after a couple of beers in the pub, it's a nice evening walk back. Beautiful sunset.
This path used to be the main path down to the village church from the estate, and it's lined by these fabulous old chestnut trees. And at the end of it, there's a little farm that sells their own apples and walnuts.
And eggs.
And eggs. It's where we get nearly all of our eggs from now. And apple crumble, apple pie has been going all year, hasn't it?
It has. But there's still all we saw of the snow. Everybody in the country had a decent dumping, but we had not a lot. And that was that.
Just enough to dust the gunnels.
Not so pleasant today, Francis.
It's not every day's sunshine and roses, is it? It's damp and misty and a little bit rainy, but it's actually not that cold. It's all right. I don't mind it. I'm dressed warmly and I don't mind. And we're heading off down to Purton, and this is, for me, this is perfect Purton weather. It's very atmospheric and moody.
Isn't it just? So we're going to just spend a couple of days or so at Purton at the very end of this canal. We love it down there, as we keep saying, because we've got to move again in a couple of days because I'm off to Sussex to help out with my daughter who's just had an operation. She's got an almost 1-year-old son who's very bouncy, very... What's the word, Francis?
Energetic.
Energetic.
Full on.
So I'm going to go down there and give her a hand for a few days and leave you alone on the boat.
Oh no, I'm staying here with Archie because they have another dog as well and it will just be too much.
Nightmare.
So I always have a few boat jobs planned when you're away, and I've got things to keep me busy. We're never apart, but I think when we are, it's sometimes quite nice to have your own space and your own time. You're not going to get your own time because you're going to be bouncing a baby for 3 days.
Yeah. It's going to be good fun though. You know, he's a really cute little fella, isn't he?
He's such a happy baby, isn't he?
Baby,
Yeah.
Better go and get lunch prepared.
Yeah, I've made some herb scones which are cooking in the top oven because we haven't got any bread, and we've got tomato soup. So we're going to just stop and get some water, and while the water's filling up, we'll have a quick bit of lunch.
Yes.
So it'll be lovely.
It's blooming hot down there. It's nice to come out on the back and have a bit of fresh air. It's a bit stifling in the cabin, babe.
In the bakery.
Yeah. We put another log on the fire so we could cook stuff. Phew. Okay.
I'm fine. It's okay. We're dry inside. But he was in the habit. He dragged me inside, lured me with a warm fireside and some slippers, and he's taken over. What a guy.
Well, wouldn't you know it, as soon as we put the hood up, the rain stopped. Nice place though. Here I am on my way to visit my daughter. 3 trains, 4 hours, and a lovely trip it was. I really enjoyed it. And here we are on the Elizabeth line, brand new rail line, opened last year I think it was, and it's a real deep one. Absolutely amazing. Spotlessly clean. Lovely. Waiting for the last train now, 1 hour to go. I almost wanted to get off here in London because I've missed being in London for it's been a long time, hasn't it, since we've been.
We used to go quite regularly for a little day out. We need to find a dog sitter for Archie, and then we can go and have a day and a night in London.
That'd be great, wouldn't it? That skyline changes every time we see it, doesn't it?
It
It's
does.
the City of London coming up. Back in the sticks, that's what we like. These trains these days are just one long tube, aren't they? There's no carriage separation. Here he is. Get my little hands on him.
Who's this? Hello, Grandpa.
And while Rich was away, I was amazed when I came back from a dog walk with Archie one day to see this beautiful boat going past, so big, and look how tiny Laura Maisie is. Then this dredger, well, it's not a dredger, I'm not sure, it came back from the dredging at Gloucester Docks. A huge piece of equipment floating past the boat. And about half an hour later, these ripples were coming along the canal. There was no wind, no reason for it, and we can only assume they were doing some work further down the canal.
This is one of the stations for the Severn Area Rescue Association. They're a volunteer search and rescue organisation assisting the emergency services. We find this whole place around Sharpness here really fascinating. Still got its industrial aspects, but the river here behind us is just frightening, isn't it?
Immense.
It's immense river.
We just keep getting it drawn back here, and it's often on an atmospheric day like this, where it's grey and cold and windy,
Yeah.
but we can hear the cement works and the cranes all going away.
The docks.
And then behind us there's this terrifying river which has these lovely smooth channels and then suddenly a bubbling, swirling pool. It's just terrifying, really.
Well, the wind's picking up. I hope the microphones are coping okay. But, that'll be all right. But wanted to talk to you about what's been going on the Shropshire Union Canal, the Llangollen branch thereof, and the enormous breach that happened there. Absolutely unbelievable. And the work that's going on there to correct it is going at a pace. And I think they've floated the boats now, haven't they?
I think they have. We've not been watching. There's been so many videos, and we've not been keeping up to date with it really. But the work, the task that they had, and the way that they've completed it, and CRT get a lot of bad press, but they've pulled all the stops out to get
really
this going, haven't they?
And unfortunately, it's diverted millions and millions of pounds from other works that CRT wanted to get on with. It's costing them a fortune, and they have actually today announced that they're doing a funding for it to help raise money to get the repairs done on the Llangollen Canal.
Yeah.
So we don't normally do this, but if you've got a spare pound to give, go to the address at the bottom of the screen and give what you can to help the canals get back into some condition.
I mean, it's not only helping CRT fix the problem and fund that, but it's helping all the boaters that are now stuck in that way.
Yeah.
All the work boats and the people that have got businesses along there that are in dire straits now.
It's really
There's so
bad.
much. As soon as they can get this fixed and working again and get life back to normal for people, the better. But yeah, all will help. Even as you say, £1 is going to really help, isn't it?
So if everybody who watches this video gives £1, that'll be £2 to the...
And we'll double that.
and we'll double it, yeah. Don't say that.
No, only if it's £2.
So yeah, if you can, that would be great.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go for a little bit more of a walk. We're not going to stay out too long. It's grey and rotten and cold.
Rain's forecast,
And,
isn't it? So
Go back and have some soup.
yeah.
Look at that sky. Think we'd better get back, don't you?
That's looking black.
Looking very black. But over there, where Laura Maisie is, the sun doth shine. What you got? Towpath talk.
Just so we can light the fire in the morning. We will read them first, but yeah, fire lighting.
And who needs snow when you've got snowdrops? And this weekend, once again, it's the RSPB Big Garden Birdwatch. If you want to take part, follow the link on the screen.
Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. See you all next time.